Hello my friend, I am back again with my favorite Forex trading setup for the week ahead. Week starting the 13th of June 2022. Okay, this year is flying in so far, nearly halfway through. Okay, so in this video we're going to go over a possible setup on the USDJPY and why I'm liking, well, I've already entered a sell position on this asset this week. Okay, we're going to discuss the fundamental reasons behind it, also the key levels that it is reaching now, and showing you my method, exactly why I think this is going to sell. So let's get into the video. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, just simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so first off, we're going to look at the technical reasons for this. There is some fundamental reasons why this pair has been, literally for the last 18 months, been on a rocket ship to the moon. Okay, and we're entering some key level. We're entering a key monthly level now from 2002, which is untested, which you can see here. And also we're getting a lot of verbal, fundamentally we're getting a lot of verbal comments coming from Japan that they are ready to intervene in the market to stop the yen's slide, because I think it's well over 16% it's dropped this year against the US dollar and most other currencies. Okay, so the minute is in free fall, and we are likely about to see a huge drop in this currency pair. Okay, first off, we're going to look at the technical reasons. Okay, we're at this key 135 level right now. Okay, it touched the 135 this morning, and if you zoom in, you can see the monthly level here. It's untested, and you can see the huge drop we had from here before. Okay, it has been on a rocket ship. Okay, it's just been blown straight through these levels here. The 125 level, which was a key level before, it literally just blew straight through that. I do not think this is going to happen on the at the 135 level, because there is a lot of talk coming from Japan at the minute, from senior players there in the currency markets, okay, in the government, sorry. And okay, so we're at the key level here. If we zoom into the weekly, okay, we can zoom right across. Okay, we are at a key weekly level inside that monthly level also. Okay, and what we want to see now is evidence of price action slowing down on either a daily or a 4-hour chart. Okay, so I'll zoom into the daily chart. You can see there's no real evidence that it's slowing down. This has been a straight move up into. Sometimes I like this kind of ascent into a key level, because it will drop very, very quickly. Okay, if we look at the 4-hour chart, it's telling a different story. Okay, we can see as it's coming into this area, we get this small sideways movement here, and then this morning, which I think will be the final rally up in for a sell-off. Okay, if we add the MACD divergence, okay, which is one of my key indicators for tell me the market is starting to slow down coming into the area. Okay, you can see we actually are getting a manual divergence here. Okay, we've had the new high, but the MACD is still moving down. Okay, if you look at the 1-hour chart, we can see a lot of divergence signals starting to appear as it's entered this here key level. Okay, this key monthly area. Okay, we have the monthly level here. Okay, weekly, and we are getting a lot of comments coming from Japan that they are ready to intervene, especially this morning. They're ready to take necessary action to stop the slide in the yen currency pair. Okay, which will basically mean them buying yen and selling the US dollar reserves. Okay, which is what the fundamental aspects of this are. Also, this position. Next, I'm going to show you my two volatility dashboards. Okay, the stochastic dashboard is here, and you can see on all the higher time frames we are at the extremes. Okay, it's very, very rare that we get levels like this on this indicator all lining up at once. Okay, so it's extremely overbought, and Also, if we look at the RSI one also, you can see that daily, weekly and monthly are all in high overbought areas. Okay, we're flashing red on the RSI dashboard here. Okay, everything's lining up for this is going to be a great selling opportunity. Target on this. Okay, let's get into the target. First off, we'll actually do the setup. Okay, and this is an asset we could possibly hold for a long time, which I likely will hold for the next few months. Sell JPY at current level 134.800. Okay, whatever it is now if it's when you're watching this video. Stop loss. Okay, I'm going to go for a little bit wider stop loss on this, which will be at 136. Okay, 500. Okay, take profit. Okay, we'll go over the take profit in a minute. I think an easy take profit in this will be 125, possibly lower. Okay, and that's the setup this week. Again, this is one that I'm going to hold long term, as I don't think it will. I think this likelihood of this going down is very, very, very high here. Okay, so sell USD at 134.800 or wherever it is now. Stop loss 136.500. Okay, I want to give a bit of room, a bit more leeway for this position. I am going to hold this long term. Okay, so possible take profit targets. Okay, if we look at the monthly, first easy target for this, I think once it starts to go down, is this one, this area here, line in the sand here, which is the 125. Go 125 to 124. It's this area here. Okay, next area below that. Okay, we're going to be looking for an area where price took off from before. Okay, and it is this area here. Okay. We could, once it comes back down to the 125 area, long term this could play all the way back down to 115 or the 120 area here, or 117. Okay, so if we line up the fib with this move, you can see these levels will, kind of targets that we have here will line up with fib retracement levels. You see the 115 area is a key 61.8 fib level. Also this second line I drew there lining up with the 50 level, and again the 125 area is a possible first target for this, which I think it will easily get down to once this starts to drop here. Okay, everything's lining up for a drop. Okay, it's extremely overbought on these dashboards. Like I said, this is an extremely rare thing for me to see. Okay, when all these 4 higher time frame levels are lining up, this is getting ready for a huge drop to the downside. Okay, like I said, everything is lining up for a possible selling opportunity here. This is likely to any minute now start to sell off. Okay, we could get a little bit higher move today. It might pop up just above the 130, above this monthly level. Maybe a lot of stops there, take a lot of stops, create the liquidity for the huge sell-off. Okay, but this is the position for this week. Okay, if you want to get access to my full list of trading setups for the week ahead, plus access to my new trading robot, which is a day trading robot, simply click the link below in the description area. And yeah, so happy trading. Let me know how this position works out for you. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Happy trading, and I shall see you on the next video. Thanks very much.